Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kokuleto Sitole, and today we are making this butternut recipe. Guys, it's very easy. Who does not like butternut? Like, who does not like butternut and cinnamon? This is the butternut, guys, that we are going to chop, peel and chop, and then do the rest. Welcome, guys. First thing, guys, we're just gonna chop this butternut and then we peel it. You guys, if you like, you can just chop it and don't peel it. Just cook it with the skin. But today, that's not what I'm going for today. We're gonna peel it and we're gonna make a mash, butternut mash. This is the water that I'm gonna use to rinse my butternut. Guys, to peel your butternut, if you have a peeler, just use it. But I do not have it, so that's why I'm using my knife. If you want your butternut to cook very, very fast, you can make like small pieces. Not this big. When you dice it, just make very, very small pieces. Throw it in, rinse it, throw it in the pot, and then let it cook. For the first 5 minutes, I'm going to cook my butternut on high heat. And then I'm just going to drain the water, put the rest of the ingredients, and then cook it on low heat. Now I'm done dicing my butternut. So now I'm just gonna throw it in the pot and just cook it. Okay, now I'm just gonna put half a cup of water. I'm gonna let it cook for 5 minutes, guys, and then drain the water. I'm not gonna wait for it to get soft before I drain the water. I'm just gonna cook it for 5 minutes and then drain all this water. After draining the water, then I put cinnamon and sugar, brown sugar, and margarine and butter. Now I'm just going to cook it for 5 minutes on high heat. Okay, my butternut has been cooking for 5 minutes and I've already drained the water. So now I'm going to get to put the rest of my ingredients, which are cinnamon, just not too much, guys. Just cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, brown sugar. You can use white, doesn't matter, and rama. This is a tablespoon of butter. Another thing, guys, you can add just a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt if you like. But the reason why I'm not adding any salt is because I'm using salted butter. But you can just add, if you're not using salted butter, you can use just a little bit of salt, just a pinch, you guys. It smells amazing. It smells amazing. The cinnamon, guys, that's something. It smells so good. So now I'm just mashing it using my plastic fork because I don't want to damage my pot. So now this is what we have, guys. It smells so good. I should say it smells amazing, you guys. I like my butternut nice and sweet. So guys, let me mention this. If you do not have a sweet tooth, you can just add 1 tablespoon of sugar. I have a sweet tooth, so I like mine sweet. So guys, this is what we have. This smells amazing, you guys. It's soft, it tastes so delicious. And guys, thank you so much, guys, for the love. Thank you so much for the support. Like, I see you guys, I see you. Thank you guys so much. Please continue. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Bye.